Navigating Istanbul Airport can be a daunting task for any traveler, especially when it comes to transferring between terminals. With its vast layout and numerous facilities, finding your way around can be overwhelming. However, Istanbul Airport offers a variety of transfer services to make your journey smoother. One of the most popular transfer services at Istanbul Airport is the shuttle bus service, which provides convenient and affordable transportation between terminals. These buses run frequently throughout the day, making it easy for passengers to transfer quickly and efficiently. Another option for transferring between terminals is the airport rail link, which connects all terminals with the city center. This fast and reliable train service is a great option for those looking to avoid traffic and get to their destination quickly. In addition to these transfer services, Istanbul Airport also offers a variety of amenities to make your layover more comfortable. From duty-free shopping and dining options to lounges and prayer rooms, there is something for every traveler at Istanbul Airport. Overall, navigating Istanbul Airport doesn't have to be a stressful experience. With the help of transfer services and amenities, you can easily move between terminals and enjoy a smooth and pleasant journey.